Hi, welcome to our video, and today we will be talking about our millet popping machine or millet puffing machine. First, I'm going to tell you about the features of the machine, and after that, I'll tell you who should not buy this machine. Let's jump right into the features of this machine. The first feature is that the machine is very easy to use. You just have to flip a few switches on and wait for the machine to heat up. And after that, you just have to start pouring in the millet and it will start popping. The other feature of the machine is that it has an adjustable temperature control. You can adjust the temperature of the machine according to the different millet that you want to pop or puff. The machine gives you uniform popping because it throws out the millet as soon as it pops, which means that you can get consistent quality of the product. Another wonderful feature of the machine is that it is very energy efficient because it reuses the heat that it has produced and it keeps rotating the same heat to make more and more of the product. Another wonderful feature of the machine is that it needs very less cleaning, about once in 10 days. That's enough. And the most important feature of the machine is that you can use the same machine to make a lot of different grains. You just have to adjust the parameters of the machine according to the grain that you are making, and you are good to go. Now coming to who should not buy this machine. First of all, the machine takes up a lot of time, about 20 to 25 minutes to heat up, which means if you are going to make a small amount of grain, then you will lose a lot of energy that the machine has already used up during that heating period. So basically this machine is for larger operations. If you want to start right now, don't use this machine. If you are going to make small amounts of grain from this, don't use this machine. The machine uses hot air to puff the grain. So you cannot add any oil or any flavors to the grain. So if you want to make a flavored grain, then you can make dry grain in this machine and then flavor it afterwards. But if you want to add oil or flavors to at the time of puffing itself, then you should not use this machine. It will not be suitable to your requirements. As I have already said, that this machine is for larger operations. Also, it is slightly loud for any public place. So if you are looking for a machine to put up in a public place, then this machine is not for you. Besides these 3 points, the machine is suitable for almost any operation. So you can easily use this. If you want more information about the machine, then you can call on the given numbers and we'll be happy to help. Thank you and please subscribe.